Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're building something incredibly useful, a random password generator using Python. Whether you're securing your accounts or creating tools, this project is perfect for all skill levels. Let's jump right in. So, what is a random password generator? Well, it's a program that creates strong, unpredictable passwords to enhance your online security. With just a few lines of Python, you can build a tool that generates passwords of any length with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Sounds cool, right? Alright, let's start by setting up our environment. You'll need Python installed on your computer, and any code editor will work. I'm using VS Code here. First, we need the random and string modules. They're built into Python, so no need to install anything extra. Let's import them. Just type import random and import string. Now, let's define our function. We'll call it generate password. This function will take one parameter, the password's length. Let's create a variable called characters. In this variable, we'll combine all possible characters, uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols, using Python's string module. Characters equals string dot ASCII letters plus string dot digits plus string dot punctuation. Note that ASCII letters combines all uppercase and lowercase letters. String dot digits includes all numeric digits from 0 to 9, and string dot punctuation includes common punctuation characters. Now let's create the variable password. In this variable, we're going to store the password formed. Password equals random dot choices. It asks for two parameters. The first one is the string to extract values randomly. In this case, we have characters. Next parameter is k. Just pass the length here. After this, you need to wrap all this in a join function. Empty string dot join. And there you have it. One last step is to return the password variable. Now let's call the function. If _name_ is equals to _main_. We will take user input for the length. Length equals integer input. Enter the password length. Password equals the function name generate password. Pass the argument length. After this, we have to print the password. Print password. Now we're all set. Let's run the program. Enter the password length, let's say 10. Yeah, here's our random password. You can run it again and again for a different password each time. And there you have it, a fully functional random password generator in Python. Easy to build and super useful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome coding projects. Comment below with what you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.